Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, Microsoft in 2024 has deprecated or killed many things in Windows 10 and Windows 11. One of them in Windows 11 that is actually going to be on the chopping block for its final remove coming up in 2025. Although now it is unavailable if you don't already have it installed with the Amazon App Store, is the Windows subsystem for Android. And so this app, Thread, is one app that I installed through that. And so the Windows subsystem for Android is unfortunately one that was starting to be deprecated. The Amazon App Store was removed from the Microsoft Store. If you still have the Amazon App Store, they are giving you a certain amount of time before it completely stops working, and that time is soon to run out. So here it says that the deprecation started in March 6, 2024, and that, after March 5th, 2025, this is all going to stop. So if you still were using some apps, some of the Android apps through this, remember, you can use other apps. There's something like BlueStacks that does have a Android emulation for Windows. You can go through there, but do keep in mind that the apps that you have that are working will stop. Everything will just stop after March 5th, 2025. And what will happen is that you'll just eventually have no reference to this within Windows 11. So, we talked about so many times about features that people, even though not used that much, still people kind of enjoyed having. When you talk about things that they add or change that people don't want, well, it's sad to see that this, which was an interesting idea, unfortunately has been removed or is going to be removed from Windows 11. So 2025 is the official goodbye to the Windows subsystem for Android. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.